Tables Management. Now let's navigate to the Table Management page. This is where you bring your physical restaurant into the digital world. The central canvas visualizes your floor plan, allowing you to organize your space into distinct areas, like the dining zone you see here. Customizing your layout is easy using the toolbar at the top. You can define specific zones, like a patio or bar area, and use the Add Zone button to create new ones. To make the map accurate, use the Layout Elements tools. You can drag and drop architectural features like walls, doors, windows, bathrooms, and even bars directly onto the canvas. And don't worry about losing your work. Autosave is always enabled. Below the visual map is your inventory list. Here you see every table's details, including capacity, status, and assigned zone. To expand your seating, click the Add Table button. You can give the table a name, set the seat count, and even choose the shape, rectangle, round, square, or booth, to match your real-world furniture. This page isn't just for setup. It's a live status monitor. The system automatically updates table statuses based on your bookings. You can instantly see which tables are available in green, which are reserved in yellow, and which are currently occupied or being cleaned. With table management, you ensure your hosts always know exactly where to seat the next party.